Hello ma'am.
Hi.
May I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Dr. Rachini Rokde.
Where do you stay ma'am?
I stay at Mikroli.
And what is the age of your child?
My son is 12 years old.
Okay. So what kind of classes were you looking out for your son?
See, basically I wanted some keyboard classes wherein, they teach, professional kind of keyboard courses and play with both the hands. Like I had a bad experience initially because I put him for some other classes, but they used to only teach with one hand, and basically I realized it was harmonium converted into keyboard kind of thing.
Okay.
So in fact he wasted a lot of time there, so I was in search of a good school, and luckily when I went to Europe I realized there that Trinity School is the best. And I found a class through net, and then luckily it was close by to my place, so finally I found this place, SAMS, which is close to me.
Okay. So before finalizing on SAM School of Music, you consider any other class?
Yeah, that is what. I actually put him to that class.
Okay.
I would not like to name that class, but seriously it was a big disaster. And from there I learned my lessons, that what kind of class I have to choose.
Okay.
So it was very clear in my mind that I have to go for something which has Trinity school accreditation. So, and I wanted him to go to all the Trinity School of Music course. So luckily SAM School was there.
Okay.
And which was in Trinity.
Okay.
That's how I finally chose SAM School.
So based on your personal experience, what are the two things you like about SAM School of Music?
See, basically it's a very focused approach they have, and the way of teaching is also quite good, as I wanted him to learn with both hands and the correct way of keyboard, so he has learned it that way, and I'm very glad that I put him learn.
Okay.
So obviously these are the pluses for SAMs.
And do you feel that anything could be better?
I think they should increase the number of keyboards that are there, so that people can come at more flexible hours, and there's no waiting period then.
Okay.
So I think if that is improved, that should be fine.
Okay. And finally, if you were to recommend SAM School of Music to other parents on a scale of 5, how likely are you to recommend them? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest?
I have already recommended to many parents, so I would rate it 4.
4 on 5. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.